Back up from the TV. Yeah.
Okay, my two
Well, you're
brothers.
blocking the TV, and I'm afraid you're gonna smack the TV.
My two brothers are playing Wii Sports Resort, and one of my brothers is just getting cranky. Keep watching. Stop getting too close to the TV, Hudson.
I can't hit him if I don't. If you're not close.
What's your headset? I'll find it. Because I can tell where you are. It's like from here to And I can go in
Trouble, man.
I'm not playing the game again.
What the heck, Hudson?
I hate sword fighting. It's freaking again.
So going on YouTube.
stay on the box.
You beat me every single time the same way.
This is so going on YouTube.
Shut up.
F you.
We'll get you.
Hey.
You stinky little crock
Whoa.
Oh my god.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Wait, let's see.